Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can compile and run C programs on your Ubuntu operating system. Now first of all we need to open the terminal. So on the newest version of Ubuntu you can just click on this icon and then search for terminal, and you will see the terminal icon, and you can just click on it and the terminal will open, or you can just press Ctrl+Alt+T to open the new terminal. Now GCC comes pre-installed on your latest version of Ubuntu. So to check this, you can just write GCC -- version and then press enter, and you can see this output which says GCC, and the version is 7.3.0. In my case, I have Ubuntu 18.04 LTS version. Now in case this output is not shown, and if your terminal says GCC is not recognized or this command is not recognized, then you can give this command, which is sudo apt install build essential. So this is the command which will install GCC, G++, and some of the important packages on your Ubuntu operating system. So if this command doesn't work, then only you need to run this command, and if this command gives you this kind of output, then you don't need to run this command. So I'm going to just press enter, and then I'm going to give my Ubuntu's password and then press enter, which is going to install this build essential package on your Ubuntu operating system. Right now I already have the latest version of build essentials, so it says build essential is already in the newest version. Now I'm going to just clear the terminal and let's create our C program. Now let's create a C file in which we want to write our hello world program. So to create a file in Ubuntu using terminal, you can use touch command and then the name of your file, for example hello.c, and right now I'm in my home directory, right, using the terminal. So when you open this folder explorer, so this is your home directory. So here your C file will be created. If you want to create this C file in the desktop, let's say, so I can just cd to the desktop, and then here I can just write touch hello.c and then press enter, and you can see this hello.c is created. Now I can double click on this C file, and here I can copy and paste my C program. Just save it using Ctrl+S, or you can just press here, which will save your file, and then close your file. And now to compile it, you just need to give this command GCC and then the file name, which is hello.c in my case, and then -o, which is a flag to provide the output file name. So let's say I want to just say the output file name will be test. So this will be the file name. When your C program compiles, it will be converted into a binary, and the binary name would be test. Okay, so then press enter, which is going to compile your program, and you can see a new file is created, which is test here, and this test file is a binary, so we can execute it. So to execute this test file, you just need to write // and the name of the file, which is test, and then press enter, and it's going to just show you the output, which is hello world. If you want to change this output, I will just add some random string in front of hello world. I can just compile it once again using GCC hello.c -o test and then press enter, and to execute the binary, just write // test, and it's going to print your output. So this is how you can use GCC in order to compile your C programs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.